think you are one of them who's looking for work in Europe? No? Okay. Yeah. I think you are one of them who want to do different courses from the different European universities? No? Okay. Yeah. I think you are one of them who want to create and customize your CV in just 1 minute. No? Okay. So, yeah. You are worried about cover letter for different job applications? No? Okay. Yeah. So, I think you are one of them who want to create and customize your CV or profile in different European languages? Yes. Yeah, okay. No worries. If you are any one of them and you want to do anything which I mentioned just right now, then this video is for you. Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. I am Sultan Sheikh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Accelerate to Achieve. I hope you are doing well and safe. So in this video I will talk about that how to create the Europass profile and how you can take benefit of its different features. You know one thing interesting about Europass? It's free of cost. Yes, you can create the Europass profile and take benefits of its all features without paying any penny. So let's start. So before creating the Europass profile, let me tell you that what the Europass is. So Europass is a set of online tools and information that helps you to manage every step of your learning and career. You know, it is developed by European Commission. Previously, there was a different version of this website which was also developed by the European Commission. What is the Europass profile? Europass profile is your online space which you can utilize for job search, course search, creating CV, creating cover letter, and you can also save your documents, save your certificates, save your CV, save your cover letters, which you can access, share, and download at any time in any part of the world. So now let's start at how you can create Europass profile. So now we are going to create our Europass profile, for which you need internet connection and any browser. Once you open your browser, you can search on Google that create Europass profile. So here you have to open the first link, Europass profile. Once you open that link, you will find this page and click on register. And here now, if you already registered your email address, you can enter and can log in. But actually we are going to create new account, so we will click on create an account. And you will get this page. Now you have to fill your information, your first name, last name, email, confirm email, email language as you are using English, enter your code, enter the code which is shown over here, and then by checking this box you will create your account. Once you create your account, you will get email from Europass on your email address, from where you have to confirm your email address and then you can log in. Once you create your account, you can log in by just clicking over here, or you can log in from that link as well. So we are going to log in. So enter your email address. Click next and enter password. Here it's asking for choose your verification method, but we are not going to verify, so you can leave it and click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will find your profile like this. And here you can see two options: upload my Europass CV and create my profile. We still did not create our Europass CV. However, we want to create our profile, so we'll click on create my profile. Once you click on this, now to create your profile, you need this information: your personal information, work experience, education and training, and your personal skills. Now you have to complete this information. Here you can select any language and date format which you want, your first name, last name, and your all information. Once you complete this form, you will click on next, and then it will move towards work experience. After filling work experience, you again click on next. Then you will go towards education and training. Again, fill that information, and in the end you will fill the personal skills. Once you fill your information, your profile will be look like this. Here you can edit your photo again. Here is your personal information. Here you can edit your information. Here I added my work experience. You can add your work experience. You can edit, you can delete. Likewise, here is education and training, digital skills, language skills, publications. So you can add more sections by clicking on add new section, and here are different sections you can add in your profile. Moreover, you can also change their order by clicking on that arrow. For example, you want your education and training section before work experience, so you just click on top arrow, means arrow which is showing the direction in top. So now you can see that your education and training is come before work experience. Likewise, you can change order of any section as you want. Moreover, you can also delete any section at any time. Here you can change the date format, and here you can add profile in a new language which we will learn later on. Now your profile is ready. Now you can use different tools available in a Europass. Now I am going to show you that how you can create your CV in just 1 minute. Now this is your profile which you had created just a few minutes ago. Now we are going to create CV. Now double click on your profile icon. Then you will find this page and click on create a CV. Once you click on this, you will find this page, and here you will find different options. Create your CV, start from your profile, select from my library, import Europass CV, create a new CV. Now as we already created our profile, so we just click on start from your profile, but you can also select from your library. If you want to customize your CV, then you can select this option. If you want to import your CV which is saved in your laptop, your PC, so you can also import from this option, or you can create a new CV. But here we are going to create our CV in just 1 minute from our profile. So just click on start from your profile. Once you click on this, your profile will appear over here. Your whole profile is appear over here. Now you can add or exclude any part from your CV. Here is option: select your entire profile or parts of it by clicking on the check boxes placed next to each section below. If you want your whole profile to be present in your CV, you have to just click on select entire profile. But if you want to exclude any portion of your CV, then you just uncheck that box. But I want whole my profile to show in my CV, so I just select all the sections and then I click on next. Once I click on next, it again asking me, do you want to edit the information before creating your CV? I don't want to edit, So I will say that no thanks. Once you click on this, you will find this window where you can see the preview of your CV. Now here only 3 templates are available right now. So whatever template you like, you click on this and you will see the preview of this one. So first one is selected, so you can see the preview of this one and your whole CV is ready. And you can also click on this template to see its preview, and you can also click on this to see its preview. Now you can select any one of the template. For example, I'm going to select this one. Then I click on next. Once I click on next, it is asking me regarding the name of CV. So try to put your first and last name as your CV name. It will give you right now in the PDF format, because they are maybe later on they will update this format, but right now you can download this in a PDF. Now you have different options. You can download this one, you can save in my Europass library, or you can publish on their website. So we are going to download this one right now. Click on download. It may take few minutes depending upon the internet connection. Yeah, so it is downloaded right now. So you can open this one. Now see, this is your CV which you had created from your profile just in a 1 minute. So it is really perfect and awesome. Okay, so you can also save your CV in your Europass library by clicking over here. So it gives you option that your CV has been successfully saved in your library. Or you can publish your CV on Europass website. You have to click agreements. I have read and agree to all those policies, and you will publish your CV by clicking on publish. So if you want to look for work, or you want to look for different courses, so you can publish your CV so that they can give you suggestions regarding different jobs and different courses. But I'm not going to publish my CV right now, so I'm going to just click cancel. Now we will click on finish. We just created a CV in just 1 minute. You know, sometimes when we apply for jobs, we have to prepare cover letter along with the CV. In this video, we will not discuss about the cover letter in detail, but I am going to show you that how you can create cover letter in Europass, because in our coming videos we will discuss about cover letter in detail. Now we are going to discuss that how you can create a cover letter with the help of Europass. So for this you have to come to your main page of your profile and select the or click on a create a cover letter option. Once you click on this, you will find these 3 options. You can import cover letter, you can select from your library, but here we are going to create the new cover letter. So we'll click on create new cover letter, and here you have to fill all the information. Edit cover letter information, your details of the person to whom you are going to send the cover letter, city, date and subject, content and closing. You can edit any information by clicking on the edit icon over here, and you can fill all the information and click on save. So once you complete, you can download your cover letter. In this video we are not going to discuss in detail, because in coming videos we will talk about cover letter. So once you finish, you can exit from this and click on exit. So you had created your CV and cover letter. Congratulations to you. Now we are going to see that how you can save different documents, certificates in your Europass profile, and how you can share those documents with anyone at any time. So if you want to save different documents in your library of Europass, you can click on my library, and here you can find different sections. The CVs which I saved in my library are shown over here. Cover letters will show up over here, and you can add different certificates and diploma. and you can also add a new section. For example, I'm going to add the one section called as internship certificates and click on add section. Now you can see that this section has been added, internship certificates. Now if you want to add the internship certificate, you can click on add, and you can select any source of your document. So I'm going to select my PC and click on, for example, such as this one, and open, and I will click on upload. Now it is uploading. So you can upload as many documents as you want, and you can also share those documents by clicking on three dots over here. Click on share, and you will set the validity date, as well as you can create the you want to generate the link. So click on generate the link, and you can copy that link, and you can share that link with which you want to share the document. So for example, I'm going to open this link over here. Now you can see the documents which I had just uploaded, and you can see that it is shared with the person with whom I want to share the link. So likewise, you can also share your different documents, your CVs, your cover letter, and etc. And I'm going to delete the document which I had just created. Okay, so you can add a CV as well from your different sources such as PC, Google Drive, etc. Likewise, you can also add the cover letter from different sources, and you can also create a cover letter from this section as well. So now you know about how you can create your CV, create your cover letter, and how you can save your documents in the library of Europass. Now I am going to show you that how you can use Europass to find job or any course. So again, on the main page of your profile, you can find the different options over here: learn in Europe, work in Europe, find a job, find a course. So these two options are used as a guidelines. However, you can find a job in this option and find a course in this option. So we are going to find a job by clicking on find a job icon, and here you can find, for example, work supervisor. I'm going to look for work supervisor position, and the place, I'm entering as Italy, and click on find. Now you can see that it is showing 20 results. Now you can click on more details or view more, and click on the see full details regarding the job which you feel that it is relevant to you. Or you can change the place as well as the job position in the search by keyword box. Likewise, you can also find a course by clicking on find a course option, and again here you can, for example, you are looking for civil engineering degree program. So you click on civil engineering and place, for example, again Italy, click on find. So you can see that different options are again showing, that is 1401 results are showing. So you can select whatever you want, and you can see the details of those degree programs. You can also add other two options, that is the level in EQF. EQF is related to the European Qualification Framework, and you can also enter the thematic area. So that's it for how you can find the job or a course with the help of Europass. Now the last thing which I'm going to tell you, that how you can create your profile or a CV in other language, means other than English, how you can create your profile. So in Europass, actually there are 29 European languages available which you can use for your CV or profile. Now if you want to create your profile in other language, you can go to your my profile and click on add a profile in the new language. Now here you have to select the language in which you are interested. Right now there are 29 languages available in Europass. So for example, I am going to select the Italiano. Now it says that please be aware that changing the language may not apply to the entire profile. Check thoroughly before you continue. I should say okay. Now you can see that all these sections are converted from English to Italiano. Now you have to complete all those sections: work experience, education and training, personal skills. Once you complete all those sections, you can create your CV in the Italiano language, and you had also your profile in Italiano language. So that's it. I'm going to exit this from here and click on exit. Yeah, two last things I'm going to tell you that you can add your skills in my skills section, and you can also add your interest in my interest section. You can explore those sections by yourself because it is really easy. So that's it. I hope you learned and enjoyed today's video. If you have any question, kindly let us know. And if you still did not subscribe our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it and follow us on different social media networks, especially on Instagram. Because on Instagram, we upload our all full videos on Instagram TV. So thank you so much. See you on next video.